Welcome! This is a tutorial on how to set up and port forward a Minecraft server using Windows. So let's begin. The first thing you'll need to do is make a new folder where you want your Minecraft server to be located. This is where you will start the server and edit any options that need to be changed. So wherever you choose, right click and make a new folder. You can name it anything you want. I'll name it Minecraft Server. Now once you have your folder, open up your favorite web browser. I will be using Internet Explorer 9. Then navigate to minecraft.net. Once there, click on the download link. And scroll down to Minecraft Multiplayer Beta Server Software and click Minecraft server.exe. Now we will save this to the folder that we made previously. Save. Once it is downloaded, open up the folder which your Minecraft server is in and rename it and add .exe to the end. That will change the icon to a Minecraft icon. Then double click it, run. And it will create all the files and folders needed for your server. Let it completely prepare the spawn area. And once it is finished, enter stop in the text field below and press enter. Now that your server is closed, I would like to go through some of these files with you. First up is the world folder. This contains information about the world of your Minecraft server, such as the structures and whatnot. Next is the banned IPs file. This is a list of IP addresses that you can ban from your server, not allowing them to enter. Next is banned players. This is a list of people, of users who will not be able to enter your server. Next, obviously, is the Minecraft server application. Double click this to run your server. And after that, we have ops. This is a list of players who will be ops or moderators on your server. They will be able to issue any server commands by tapping / and then the name of the command in game. Next is the server log file. This is basically a log of everything that has happened on your server. Next is server.properties. To open this, use Windows, select a program, and choose Notepad. These are the properties or options of your server. First name is level name. You will not really need to change that at all. Allow nether. If this is false, players will not be able to go through portals. If it's true, then they are allowed to. View distance is how far the client renders your server in chunks. Next is spawn monsters. You can turn that on or off. Online mode. If this is, well, that speaks for itself. Spawn animals. max players, server IP. You are not going to want to change this, but it will allow you to change the IP address of your server. PvP, player versus player. If it's true, players can attack each other. If it's false, players will not be able to attack each other. Next is level seed. Obviously, you type in your level seed, and it will spawn that seed. Server port, you also don't want to change this, but if you have multiple servers in your home network, they will have to have different ports. Allow flight, if it's true, then people will be able to fly, obviously. If it's false, they will be kicked. Whitelist, if this is true, then only players who you list in the whitelist file will be able to enter your server. And those are the files in your Minecraft server folder. Next up, port forwarding, the fun part. This will allow people outside of your home network to join your server. This is also the part that most people have trouble with, but I'm sure we will not have any trouble today. Now, before we begin, we will need to find out some information about your network. So, click the Start button, type CMD in the search, and open up Command Prompt. Once Command Prompt is up, type in ipconfig, ipconfig, and press Enter. This will bring up a ton of information about your network, but we will only need two things. So open up Notepad, and you'll need to copy your IPv4 address and your default gateway address. These are the two addresses you will need to port forward your computer. Once you have those two written down, close Command Prompt and open your web browser. When your web browser is loaded, take the default gateway and paste that into the address bar. Click Enter. It will ask you for a username and password. Unfortunately, this is where some of you might not be able to continue. This is the username and password for your home internet router. A lot of the time, the username is admin and the password is blank, or the username is blank, the password's admin, they're both admin. On ours, the username's admin, and we have a custom password. You can find the default passwords for your routers at portforward.com, I believe. But obviously, if you have a custom password, you will not be able to find it there. Once you've typed in your username and password, click OK, and it will bring you to your router page. Of course, I have a Linksys router. It's pretty common, so that's good. Most of you will be able to follow. If you have a different router page, hopefully you can follow along. What I did was I clicked on Applications and Gaming. If you have a different router, it may be called Port Forwarding, but for Linksys, it's called Applications and Gaming. Alright, make sure you're on Single Port Forwarding. Scroll down until you get something that looks like this. Okay, it'll allow you to type in an external and internal port, a protocol, an IP address, and your name. Now what you're going to want to do, let me take these out, is type in this information. First up is application name. This can be anything you want. I could type Pop-Tarts, and it would work. But you generally want to type in the application that you're port forwarding. In this case, it is Minecraft. Unfortunately on mine, Minecraft doesn't fit, so I will type imcraft. Next up is the external and internal ports. These are both the same, and if you will remember, it is the same as the port in your properties file. 25565, that is the default. Yours will have this unless you changed it. So in the external and internal ports, type 25565. 25565. Protocol, put both TCP and UDP. Now, the to IP address. This is the IPv4 address that you jotted down earlier. 192.168.1. In my case, it is 100 for this computer, but on my network, my actual Minecraft server is hosted on a different computer, which is 1.08. But you would write down the IPv4 address that you got earlier. Once you have all this filled out, check the enabled button and click save. Once you've saved it, you have port forwarded your router. But you may be wondering, well, Carpet Clam, what IP address will my friend type in to join my server? Well, that's a great question, and we will need to find this out. To find this out, open up your address bar and type in whatsmyip.org, and that could very well be the incorrect site. And it's not. That is the correct site. whatsmyip.org. And up in the top in bold letters, your IP address is this. Mine is censored, so no one can join my server, but yours will be here. And when your friend opens up Minecraft, clicks multiplayer, this is what he will type in to log into your server. So congratulations, you have successfully port forwarded your Minecraft server. Thank you all very much. I will see you next time.